Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Malik. I'm the principal and founder of VKM Law Group. We're a boutique business immigration firm. Today I'm going to talk about a visa type that not many people know about. This visa is actually a green card, a type of green card that you can get without ever having to set foot on the United States before you get the green card, meaning you can apply for this green card from your home country. You do not even need to have a job offer from an employer or an organization in the United States. And it's really a visa that you can get based on your achievements that you've had at the time you filed the case. It's called an EB2 National Interest Waiver Green Card. And what really this green card is all about is it tends to the US policy of trying to get people who've achieved a lot in their field, and which would also then benefit the national interest of the United States. So the requirements for this visa type are as follows. At a minimum, you need to be a member of a professional occupation. What does that mean? So typically, it's an occupation that requires at least a bachelor's degree. So think engineers, scientists, lawyers, accountants, so on and so forth. And what this visa type requires is for you to at least have a master's or higher degree in that occupation. Now, in case you don't have a master's or higher degree, all is not lost. You can still qualify for this visa type if you have a bachelor's degree at least and 5 years of experience in that particular field. Now, what if you are practicing in a field that does not require a bachelor's degree? Think about being a chef, right? So being in the culinary arts. Not everyone who's a good chef has a bachelor's degree, and really the occupation of a chef does not require you to have a bachelor's degree. Folks in these kind of fields can also qualify for a national interest waiver green card. It's called the exceptional ability subset of this green card. In order to qualify as a person of having exceptional ability, you need to have a bachelor's degree in the field, right? And you also need to have 10 years of work experience in that field. Or you could have a license to practice in that field. You could be getting a salary that's pretty high in that field compared to other folks in your occupation. Or you could be a member of a professional organization in that field. And you could be someone who is well recognized by your peers, the government, or other people in your field as someone who is exceptionally able. And what's interesting is you only need to have 3 out of these 6 criteria that I just mentioned to still be able to qualify for a national interest waiver green card. Now, once you've met these threshold requirements, the other 3 criteria you have to meet are as follows. 1, you need to show that your proposed field of endeavor is of national interest to the United States, meaning whatever you're doing will benefit the entire country of the United States. The second thing you have to show is that you are well positioned to enhance that endeavor. What does that mean? It means you have the specific skills and the exceptional ability to enhance that endeavor. And this goes back to the first point I talked about, where you show that you have a master's degree or a bachelor's degree and 5 years of work experience, or you meet 3 of the other 6 criteria as a person of exceptional ability. The final criteria we have to prove is to show that you really don't need a job offer from someone in the United States. Why is that? Because the work you're doing is of such national importance to the United States, and you have such an exceptional ability that there really is no need for someone to have to sponsor you for a green card. So that, in a nutshell, is what the EB2 NIW is all about. If you have any further questions, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact information is in the links below. Thank you so much for your time.